Hello, this is Lenka from Supreme Prague. Today I want to tell you a few tips how to get around Prague with public transportation. There are only three simple things to know about Prague in public transportation. We have only three lines of metro: green, red and yellow lines, ABC. The ticket is valid for all the means of transportation for metro, tram and buses. And the tickets are valid for time, not for how many stops you go. So where can you buy tickets? Either in shops, in stalls like this, or tobacco shops all around the city center. The best way is to buy in the machines down in the metro stop. Sometimes the machines are also on the tram stops, but not always. Online is not an option for you unless you live here. Then you have a ticket or pass like this. Contactless with your card, sometimes, very rarely, on the trams themselves, but I really wouldn't count on that. Metro is our subway. You recognize the sign on the street very easily. M with the arrow down. So here's the stop, green A line. So here, this is the map of Prague. And here are the three lines of metro system: green, yellow and red lines, ABC. We see they go all through the city center and through the whole Prague. For traveling in the city center, you'll basically need just the A line. Right here where we are, this is the stop for Prague Castle. Museum right here is for the city center or the Venceslas Square. Nádraží Veleslavín, this is for the airport stop. We have three intersections: Můstek, Florence and Museum. Okay, so how are the tickets for you? Are basically just four types of tickets for the 90 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 day and 3 days. So for us is important adult and child. For seniors, that doesn't apply for you because senior here means valid only with the senior PIT card, which you don't have. So that's not an option for you. So adult and child only. 90 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 day or 3 days. That's what interests you. Okay, so how to buy a ticket. So we have the old machine, we have the new machine over there. We'll go there in a second. So I have how much? 25 crowns. So I want to get the ticket for 24 crowns for an adult, which is valid for 30 minutes. So I need to find 24 crowns right here, full price. So that's the blue section. So I want the ticket. I press it, I put the coins, and here that's a trick that you really need to have coins only if you find the old machines. Sometimes it happens that it's not taken the coin, and therefore you see there is this thing. Put it back. It's returned me 1 crown. It's printing the ticket, and voila, there I have it. So here we have the new machine. So I want to press English, buy ticket. That's what I want. I want my 30 minutes for 24 crowns. So I put it there. I want only one person. As we see, one person, 24 crowns. If I wanted more, I put the plus here. Then I have 2. So it's 48 crowns. I could even put the coins up into the machine, or I could pay by card. And then in the end, it will take me again the ticket. So I have the ticket. And here's the machine that you find always upon entering the metro station. And here is very important. This is the only important thing that you need to know. You stamp it where is the arrow down. So this is the place for stamping the ticket, not up here or not even on any other side, just here. So with the ticket, I stamp it this way. And now it shows me when I stamped it, and I can go it for 30 minutes endlessly. I can go on and off, and I stamp it only once, and that's it. I hope this made it easier, more comfortable for you for traveling in the city center with metro and tram. Other than that, I'm going to see you in Prague.